About Alex is like, he does it the right way, and I'm like,
if we're gonna
Grab my bag out of my truck real quick.
if we're gonna rebuild it,
is this unfair? I try and tell people, like, they never like realize, like, all the funny shit, all the dumb shit always happens when we're not filming, or when I think we're not filming.
Definitely.
smash it.
This is always.
Here, I'll help you out.
Ew! What are you doing? Ow, bug!
Oh,
Oh, you spilled it.
Are they even?
No, they're not that even.
This camera zooms very slowly. Like, I could really make this like dramatic if I wanted.
Here you go. I'm gonna do boat thing. The big one? Oh.
Wait, I can turn it around. Wait, how the fuck? I'm learning. This is Matt's beautiful boat.
Beautiful might be an understatement, but it's about to be.
I'm trying to like not make it crooked, so like hold on. Don't break. My glasses popped off. My glasses.
My mom's going to pause it.
Let me at her. Let me at her.
So much luxury in one boat.
This thing's a piece of shit.
Can just leave all this.
Matt, what kind of beer is that?
Woodchuck hard cider, delicious.
Hey, Matt,
Never fucking heard of it.
Me neither. First time having one. Wait,
Nice.
What'd you say?
Piss. It looks like piss in the boat.
You don't need a gasket.
I mean, should we just bring this to my house?
Corn beaks. Look at all this luxury. The duct tape. Look at that one hanging piece. I love that.
I come with the boat. I come with the boat. It's just, I was thinking just pop the top end off because it's just these bolts that hold the top end on.
Which ones?
These.
Oh, and then underneath there's like the 4. Yeah, there's 4.
No,
there's 4
it.
under. Now look in the corners. There's a bolt.
There's
there,
literally
there.
something walking in the
You see
woods.
them hiding in the corners.
What's in a boat?
I think
An
so.
oversized raft.
This one that goes.
Boat skis.
No, I think there's a bolt
Underneath that?
underneath
See
there. Yeah, cause see how this. You can see what it looks like.
This is brought to you by whatever kind of fucking beer that is. Tastes like apple cider. Pretty decent.
Can I get some water, maybe?
I need more
Can I come out?
Woodchuck hard cider.
Oh, that's where my fucking screwdrivers went.
Where? Hey, sorry. I didn't think that aggressive spike would happen.
Oodie.
I'd like to film us beating my pistons with a hammer, because I did.
Shut up, you like it.
I did it yesterday and I forgot to film it.
My nose feels like I just snorted a ton of coke.
Yeah.
Words of wisdom with Jenna. How do you feel? No, I feel like I just snorted a pound of coke this
My
morning.
nose feels like I just snorted so much cocaine.
Cocaine. It's like filming like black and white or something too. Oh, literally gone. Do a flip into the boat. Go.
Don't do that.
Why?
Don't do that.
Oh my god, that was.
Go again.
I tried to get in the boat.
Do a flip.
I can't do a flip. I can't even get on the fucking boat.
Well, just kind of, it's 2.5 feet tall.
I don't want to tip. Is it gonna tip if I put my fat?
I'll jump on this side if it starts to tip.
Okay, you got it.
That's how you do it.
I have no upper body strength. Like this is.
Well, it's kind of hard when your foot's already inside.
Bullshit.
I think the old Sea-Doo motors. There's a lot going on.
The cover of this is literally going to be you halfway in the boat. That's what we'll make the thumbnail. The thumbnail.
Well, I think because I think this manifold down here also has the oil pump on it, and it's a whole bunch of bullshit to get it off.
Hurt myself.
He hurt myself. Alright guys, well, pretty soon I gotta go take a COVID test. I just wanted to film this and fill you guys in. Regarding the boat, the camera died pretty early on to the actual working on the boat. I know this entire second video is mostly just me screwing around, us having a good time, but that is a lot of what working on the boat is, and hey, if you're not laughing and having a good time, what are you doing? So I just want to give you guys an update because part 3 is gonna be a little jump because it died. I'm gonna try and edit the video right here.
She's rotating real well.
It's gone, man.
Buy a boat, they said.
Bust out another 1,000.
Beat the pistons with a block of wood, they said.
Still think.
That video, as long as it uploaded, as long as I saved it, is Alex beating the pistons with the block of wood. And I mean, this This went on for like an hour. There's a lot you missed, but we pulled the motor apart. It took like 10 minutes. It was really quick. There were those bolts hanging inside there, but it still came apart real nice. And once we beat the piston out of the head, it came off nice. But yeah, so we cleaned it up a little bit. We think it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna order the piston. I might just order new pistons, because we were thinking about just ordering the wrist pin was seized to the piston, and that's why the motor wouldn't spin, because I swear the piston, like, it will not rotate around about the wrist pin. So it's just so beyond gone, but like we're hoping that the rod's gonna be okay. So we're thinking about just getting new wrist pins and rings for the pistons, then all the gaskets and shit. But I think I might just order the whole kit, put new pistons in it, give it the whole new, give it the works. I also like to keep, you know, original old parts, but I think this motor's been rebuilt, so at this point you might as well. And these are, I think they're single ring pistons, so I want to just put in like dual or 3 ring pistons, you know, just give it a little bit more added bonus. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for part 3, because that'll probably be cleaning and disassembling / assembling the motor. Could be the whole thing. It goes by pretty quick. It was a good time with Alex. I'll see if I can get Alex, Jake, and then Jenna to record.